Hey everyone, let's go over the ingredients. I'm using some water, some brown sugar, some cornstarch, some gochujang paste. I found it at the Asian store. Some ginger paste. We're using some soy sauce, some garlic, some onions, and we are using chicken breast, and I used honey at the end as well. Okay, so I cut up the chicken breast into small pieces and I coated them with the cornstarch. The bite-sized pieces, sort of like popcorn chicken. Now I am going to mix these ingredients that I have left over together to make the sauce, the gochujang chicken sauce. So you're going to mix in the gochujang paste with some water. You're going to mix in the soy sauce. That's right. This is how we're going to make this. And you're going to add in your garlic. Go ahead and add in your brown sugar. And remember, once again, the measurements and ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So you're going to mix everything together to make this paste. Not the cornstarch. The cornstarch is for the chicken, you guys. And leave the onions separate, okay? So now go ahead and fry your chicken. Your popcorn chicken, you're going to fry it for about 6 to 7 minutes, okay? And your popcorn chicken will be done. Even though this is gochujang chicken, I'm calling it popcorn chicken. And this is what it should look like. Nice, crispy, crunchy chicken. So go ahead and saute your onions up, like here, until they become translucent. Shouldn't take but a few minutes. I would say about 3 minutes at the most. It just depends on what pan you're using and your stove. Everybody's stove has a different temperature, okay? Next, I am going to add in the gochujang sauce that we prepared to our sauteed onions after we add in our garlic and our ginger. Well, I mean our ginger, because your ginger needs to be cooked just a little bit, okay? Go ahead, add in that sauce, and then you're going to mix in everything together. This is so delicious. I really recommend this as something you can try. But the gochujang paste, you're going to have to find it in your local grocery store, on your international food section, such as your Asian section. I know in Publix you can find it, but I got mine at the Asian store. If you live in Columbus, Georgia, where I live, it's at the Asian supermarket, okay? Now you're going to add in your popcorn chicken into your sauce. You're going to mix everything in there together like so. And basically, you let it simmer in there for about 1 minute, and it is basically done. And it is delicious. Now, once we were finished, we served it over rice and we ate it with some steamed broccoli. I hope everyone enjoyed this video by Cooking with TK on how to make some gochujang chicken. Please don't forget to share this video out, and if you try this recipe, please tell me how did you like it. And remember, you can add honey at the end. Everything is in the description box below. Peace. Have a blessed day.